No, excuse me. No, man. I guess it's allergy season.
Dude, that was the cutest sneeze ever.
Stop saying that I'm cute.
Oh, bless you.
That was such a cute sneeze.
No,
Panda sneeze, cute.
I'm not cute.
Bro, your sneeze was straight up adorable.
Stop! I'm not cute! You think that was cute? Oh, come on, man! I'm not cute!